You guys have no idea how excited I am. I don't think I've really told you what my plan is or why I'm doing this the way I'm doing this. So I figured I'd come on here and talk to you guys for a little bit about my thoughts on the process. So this is my first time making a wig. All I know is that I've worn a lot of wigs, so I know what I'm looking for when I make this one. So I sewed the tracks onto the wig like very evenly spaced. I'm so proud of myself for that. But I had a closure from the sewing that I did a while ago, and I'm trying to use it for this, but I'm not really sure how to end it. Since this wig is supposed to have bangs, I thought I could just sew the closure here, and I sewed it down across here. So I thought I would cut it, but then I realized that this track will show. So I'm not exactly sure. I thought about cutting it here and then cutting it here and then switching this piece over to the front so it falls to the front like that. Other than my little closure issue, I'm really happy with the way it's turning out. I think the hair looks really even, it's nice and full, and I can't wait to cut it and start styling it. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to the lace just because I didn't really need it. This wig is definitely gonna have bangs in it, so I'm like, do I really need to have the lace? For my first wig, you can't tell me this is like unclockable. I mean, come on. It's got to look worse before it looks better. I'm so excited. It's the last piece. It's just like styling another wig. Oh my god. At this point, I've done all that I can do with the wig being on a mannequin head, and I just need to put it on my head in order to see what it's really gonna look like. Huh. Oh my goodness. Okay, this has definitely been one of those trust the process moments. I'm gonna start sectioning and straightening the hair. I'm gonna do the back first because the back is the longest and it doesn't really need anything. I'm just gonna make it like straight. And I'm gonna turn this down actually to 300. Now this is the part that's gonna take the longest. Going layer by layer and curling like each and every section. I just zoomed you in so you could see a little bit better, but this is the little section that I just curled in. I'm just doing a light little like bump, as our ancestors would say, and look at the difference. This is like the before, which is straight and is a look, but not the one I'm going for. And this is the curled in. This looks so much better to me. I'm gonna do the other side now. Guys, this is not a drill.
This is not a drill!
We have a mullet. Oh my goodness, I am like in love with this. It's exactly what I wanted, and it's something that I haven't seen anyone do on YouTube altogether. I've seen someone do something kind of like this, kind of like the back, but not all together. And I must say, I mean, it's just giving what it's supposed to give. Somebody's mama. Somebody's mama. I love it. So cute. And I can like make it a little thinner if I put more of the hair behind my head. Like that. Or I can make it like a little more out. One thing I will say is that I wish that the wig cap was more of a flesh color, because it's really peeking through because I have the hair flipped up so high. But I think I'm just gonna go over the front with a little bit of makeup. I can't believe I did this all by myself. Thanks for hanging out.